Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Zyro. We are going to check the pricings. I'll tell you more about Zyro. We are going to compare it with other softwares similar to it, and also we peek into the Zyro itself to show you how it all looks from inside. So what is it? Zyro is a cloud-based website builder which helps businesses design custom website using predefined templates, grid tools, and drag and drop functionalities. Key features include an image library, logo creation, mobile optimized pages, and more. The AI-powered tools help both professionals and beginners create captivating SEO optimized content, predict user behavior via heat maps, and move website elements to enhance the visitor experience. Zyro offers various plans and features to cater to whatever needs you may have, and their customer success team will be more happy to help you set up your website. Where do we check what this all cost? Their basic plan starts at $2.90 monthly, and it's perfect for showcasing your personal brand. This plan includes 1 GB of storage, as you can see, SSL security, and ability to connect to your own domain, among other features. A more advanced Unleashed plan is perfect for businesses and features unlimited bandwidth and storage. Powerful integrations as well as visitor marketing along with the features of the basic plan. You see that there is a deal going on for almost like 68%, 57% on more. You can see all the features that they are providing in each and every plan. The website one has no e-commerce and also limited features, obviously, and advanced store has basically every single feature unlocked, I believe. Also, number of products is 2,500, so yeah. It's very, very generous. It's not that expensive, don't get me wrong. So what are their products? What are they offering? Website builder, online store, features, domains, business emails, logo makers, many more. I'm quite curious about the logo makers. Create professional logo in seconds. So let's check it out. At the moment you can start for free. No credit card required. I really like that you can just continue with your Gmail account. So you don't have to wait for confirmation email. You can also log in with Apple account, but let's go and check the Gmail one. So select how you want to create your website. Use template, use our AI website generator, or start from scratch. Let's start building from scratch. So this should take a few moments, but not too long. Okay, so Mr. Editor, what are you doing? Okay, this is not working. Let's refresh it. Hopefully something will help. Okay, welcome to your website. Make ideal happen, yada yada yada. Elements, edit pages, change global styles, go live. Okay. So this page is empty. Click add section. Okay. Block. We can go with online store, light store, or footer. So let's go with but I don't like this that much. Added a blog post. and we can add more sections. That's kind of interesting. You can even see how it's going to look on the PC and how it's going to look on the mobile phone. But I don't really find this. No, I don't. Let's just add elements. Let's go. Well, can't add element to the current section. Okay, added a blank section. That's what I wanted. Nice. So on the left side, we have our basically sidebar with all the options and all the features that we can use. We have pages and navigation, add element, website styles, block, online store, AI tools, and yeah, the setting ones. But let's go and add element, add image. Okay, I was kind of thinking that I can pick the image, not just the sofa. And you can work how you like. Gallery. Okay, there's a couple of images. You can duplicate it, that's kind of useful. But I don't see how this is going to be good. Okay. What else can we do in this fast video? Can go even with Instagram feed. Interesting options, I have to say. Also text, where you can write your text, but I don't really like the background. Change background. Can go with image. Yeah, they are probably thinking that you really don't want to use their pre-made images, but you want to start with the color. So let's go with this one or this one. Do you have something? Okay, this will work. Easily you can see the heading. Let's go with heading 1. You can make it longer, shorter, whatever. Font also. Let's go with hello world, which is pretty customary. Okay, we can use it in the middle. You can make it bold or curvy. So yeah, this is so basic and it will need you to let's go with add image or the images that they are providing. And 3 images. Okay, here we go. That's actually quite a lot of them. Let's go with sunflower. Add to page. Ta-da! And here you can just publish the website. But for that, you need to basically buy it. Basically buy at least the starting subscription. This is just a front page, so you will have to add the sections more and more to see the clicks and everything you see. And that's our website. Yeah. I'm planning to create more videos about each and every element of Zyro because I feel like this is very, very interesting software for you that you can try it out. So you can expect more, but I don't really like making long videos. In this, I really wanted to show you how to get inside, how to get your free demo, so you can check it out if the Zyro is the option for you. If you have any types of questions about Zyro, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. So we can together make very beautiful website in a few moments with Zyro. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you are all well and See you soon with more videos. Have a great day. Goodbye.